Good afternoon. How are you doing today? It's dandy. All right, no bullshit. So, this is Travis back at Lenk Park HPR. As you can see, you probably, hopefully you watched the other video of what this looked like before. So this is the area that was coated with probably a 1/4 inch of fiberglass. It was basically from here to here, somebody just fiberglassed in a piece because it kind of got rusted out right in here. But I lucked out to where this is really good fresh metal. That little area in there, it looks like it's good enough metal to weld to. I'll still get my carbide pencil grinder, get in there, dig it all out like a car dentist or something. Make them teeth look all nice and pearly white before we go back in there and rush reform it and weld it. You don't really have to make it look too pretty right here. You just need to make this functional and rust proof. Because like I said, this just got the function in this area. Now it'll look pretty like everything else, but when it comes to laying your Bondo and doing all your finishing work here, you really, this area, you don't want to spend too much time on it because time is money. So right here, we're just going to come in here, make all of this one even swoop, little curve, so that way this gasket will seal, this gasket will seal, but there'll be no rust. So in the next couple of videos, you'll see that, because I'm not going to come back and weld this and do any of the weld work until everything else on this is prepped. Then we'll have weld day, fill in everything in, and then when everything else is filled in, pretty much the only thing that's going to be left on this firewall that's not filled in is going to be the factory holes for the brake booster. All this is going to be filled in. I'll probably leave this hole too for the steering column, but this hole and this hole is going to stay. But everything else can be smoothed out, and then we'll start with a fresh canvas for bolting all our brand new go fast goodies. See you in the next episode.